Hey, welcome back guys. Today I'm telling you how to connect Sniperoo to Axiom, pairing a lightning fast trading bot with a top Solana trading platform. It's a simple setup guys, so let us begin. So first, get Sniperoo ready, head to sniperoo.app. After that, as you can see, we have this small interface, and just click on login with Telegram. Alright, open Telegram desktop. And as you can see, now we are easily taken to the bot. After that, just press start on the bot to launch it and so that it starts working. Right guys, after that you can go to your axiom.trade and sign in. Use a referral link from the X page if you're new, then connect a wallet like Phantom or let Axiom generate one. Make sure your Axiom wallet has Solana too. We're linking these tools for seamless trading. After that, in Sniperoo, open the Telegram bot and type in /wallets and pick your active wallet. Select export private key, copy that long string of characters. Keep it safe, this is your bridge to Axiom, don't share it anywhere. Back on Axiom, click on your profile icon, go to account or manage address, and find import private key, paste your Sniperoo key here. Axiom will link it as an AX wallet, confirm it, and now your Sniperoo funds are accessible in Axiom. And that's basically it, guys. Sniperoo is now connected to your Axiom. You've got Sniperoo's speed and Axiom's tools in one flow. And let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts about these combinations? Like and subscribe for more crypto hacks. See you next time.